Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs. Welcome to Silom Edge, Bangkok. Silom Edge is the mixed-use development at the vibrant core of metropolitan Bangkok, redefining its space as a new sandbox CBD to meet the diverse lifestyle needs of the dynamic Silom community and provide a fresh start for all. Spanning over 50,000 square meters, Silom Edge comprises a 12-story grade A office building and hosts more than 75 retail shops, including areas open 24 hours, catering to a variety of lifestyles and visitors. Strategically positioned in the prime location of Bangkok, at the intersection of Silom Road and Rama IV Road, Silom Edge offers convenient access to the BTS SkyTrain Saladeng station and the underground MRT Silom station via covered walkways. Furthermore, it is situated in close proximity to prominent Bangkok landmarks such as Chulalongkorn Hospital, iconic office buildings, and Lumpini Park, the city's first public park where Bangkok residents come to unwind and exercise. This is an extensive walking tour experience. Watching this gives you virtual adventure, and with the best of our ability, we offer an imitation that would grant you the lens to this wonderful experience with us. Please like, share, and subscribe. Silom Road also serves as a bustling international community hub, making Silom Edge the ideal place to commence your life without disruptions throughout the day, adapting to every facet of each lifestyle. Silom Edge has reimagined itself as the epicenter for all lifestyles, catering to the diverse ways of life along Silom Road 24 hours a day. It seamlessly connects different aspects of urban living, fostering vibrancy and sparking continuous excitement from morning till midnight, all encapsulated by the concept "Life around the clock starts here at Silom Edge." Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Creating and around the clock experience, Silom Edge is like a non-stop clock, catering to everyone's lifestyle, no matter what time it begins. Silom Edge enriches experiences for both morning birds and night owls, starting from the early morning to refresh the body with a run in the park followed by a hearty breakfast, allowing full focus on learning or work. There are also choices from a variety of evening to night activities to unwind and embrace aspects of different lifestyles. For nightlifers, services are available at all hours, as Silom Edge excels in offering more than 75 shops, including over 15 that are open 24 hours. Please do watch our other Bangkok, Thailand playlist. The Edge Food Hub and 24/7 Eatery. The eatery is where tasting journeys begin, anytime around the clock. Savor a wide range of famous culinary delights, from street food and popular savory dishes to international favorites like Cam Cam pasta, Ginger Farm, Goo Goo chicken, legendary boat noodles, KFC, and convenience stores that never close. Whether it is breakfast, a late dinner, or a midnight snack, any cravings are satisfied here at any hour. Have you been to Bangkok, Thailand? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Catering to every lifestyle, meeting all needs. Silom Edge is thoughtfully designed to cater to diverse lifestyles across its floors, from B1 to the 4th floor and all the way up to the rooftop bar on the 9th floor. Meticulously selected shops offer a well-rounded experience with offerings spanning dining, fashion and services, and beauty and holistic wellness. B1. The Edge Food Hub, a hub for food and beverage outlets offering convenient grab-and-go options. G. 24/7 Seatery, a cafe and dining establishment open around the clock. 1. Stylish flash fashion, clothing, and jewelry. 2. Life and tech, lifestyle and technology products, along with hire showers. 3. Wellness, trendy beauty, and healthcare products. 4. Holistic wellness, health, and fitness services, along with karaoke Mane Kaneko, Thailand. 9. Over the Edge, the rooftop restaurant with a view of Silom, Rama 4, and Lumpini Park. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe for more exciting vlogs.